Hello students, now we'll be learning about cell wall. So what is a cell wall? Cell wall is a rigid, semi-transparent, permeable and slightly elastic protective layer जो कि कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है जो कि you can see here it is present in the outside on the outside of any cell. हमने सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बारे में पढ़ लिया. सेल मेम्ब्रेन के बाहर एक और प्रोटेक्टिव कवरिंग होती है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सेल वॉल. ओके, बट सेल वॉल इज़ not present in animal cells. It is present in plant cells. It is present in fungi, certain bacteria. So here we can see that the cell wall provides support and protection for the cell because it is made up of cellulose, okay, which gives strength to the cell. तो सेल वॉल का काम क्या क्या है? सेल वॉल गिव्स, फर्स्ट हम बोल सकते हैं कि इट गिव्स अ डेफिनाइट शेप टू द सेल, it gives mechanical strength to the cell and protects the cell from injury or damage, and it also controls the amount of water entering inside the cell or the amount of water going outside the cell. Okay, so cell wall are present in plants, they are present in algae, fungi, and they are present in bacteria, but they are not present or not found in animal cells. So, now there is an important term to learn, that is plasmolysis. So, what is plasmolysis? When a plant is kept in a hypertonic solution, then what happens? We had already learnt about this. We have already learnt about this. When a cell is kept in a hypertonic solution, तो क्या होगा? The cell will start losing water and it will shrink. Okay, so in a plant cell, when this happens, a plant cell is kept in a hypertonic solution, exosmosis happens. That means water जो है वो सेल से बाहर निकल जाता है. जब वाटर सेल से बाहर निकल जाता है, then what happens? The cell, it starts shrinking. Here you can see it starts shrinking away from the cell wall, and this phenomenon is called as plasmolysis. So here you can see this, in this diagram we can see how the turgid cells look, and these are the plasmolysed cell. Okay, there's an activity in your book. Okay, activity 5.6. इसमें क्या करना है कि you have to mount a peel of fresh rio leaf on a clean slide and drop few drops of water. Okay, तो आप ये देखोगे. So here आपने देखा है कि the cells are turgid, okay, and with the plasma membrane connected to the cell wall. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि सेल अच्छे से टर्जिड है और प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन सेल वॉल को कनेक्टेड है. बट आप क्या करोगे कि इफ़ यू पुट सम ड्रॉप ऑफ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड शुगर सोल्यूशन, ओके, ऑन द स्लाइड, आप उसमें शुगर सोल्यूशन डाल दोगे तो क्या होगा? शुगर सोल्यूशन इज़ हाइपरटोनिक सोल्यूशन, so it will cause exosmosis. It will make the cell lose water and the cell will shrink. ये देखो आप यहाँ पे turgid cells थे और यहाँ पे सेल जो है वो shrink हो गए हैं. So this is called as plasmolysis, and hence these cells are called as plasmolysed cells. Now, so as it controls the exit of water, cell wall also controls the situation which is caused when a cell is placed in a hypotonic solution. Okay, hypotonic solution में जब सेल को डालेंगे तो क्या होगा? Then it will gain water, it will absorb water, endosmosis will take place and the cell will swell. Okay, here you can see that the cell, it start as water molecules are getting inside, the cell will swell in shape. ये शेप में बड़ा भी हो जाएगा और ये स्वेल अप हो जाएगा वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करने की वजह से, एंड ये क्या करेगा कि जो सेल वॉल है उसमें एक टर्गर प्रेशर, ओके, उसमें जो है ये एक प्रेशर एक्सर्ट करेगा, बट द सेल वॉल विल एक्सर्ट एन इक्वल प्रेशर बिकॉज सेल वॉल इज रिजिड, ओके, ये बहुत हार्ड है, रिजिड है, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये एक इक्वल प्रेशर भी एक्सर्ट करेगा सेल पे, एंड हेंस इट प्रिवेंट्स द सेल फ्रॉम बर्स्टिंग, ओके. So we can say that what are the functions of cell wall? Cell wall है ये, it surrounds the surface of the cell membrane. The cell wall is made up of cellulose. It protects the cell from injury. It gives the plant cell a fixed shape, and the cell wall is fully permeable. So this is all about a cell wall. So the cell wall exerts an equal pressure against the swollen cell, and because of their walls, such cells can withstand much greater changes in the surrounding medium as compared to animal cells. Why? Because animal cells do not have a cell wall. So thank you, students.